Good morning. It was a rainy night and windy, and now it's still rainy, but the horses don't mind. Well, I don't see who is who. I think this Yveske and Bella, and that Boukje and Blomke. But who is who, I can't see because it's far away. Teije Rein and Risey. Every time I'm too late filming, but Risey is prancing. And now they see me and they don't do that anymore. Hey, there's a duck. Teije Rein. Hey, goed zo, jongen. We're finished. And Bauke was filming from the house. So maybe we see that video. Teije Rein is really doing very good. He learns very fast. So I like that. But I have to be careful not doing that much. Because he's only 3 years old. So I rode about, I think 50 minutes. And now it's okay. And walk and trot and canter left and right. And he also goes backwards now, a little bit. Not that good yet, but maybe I can try. Oh. First he has to stand still, then terug. Yes, goed zo, terug. Good so. I only ask with the reins. Oh, and I press with 2 legs a bit behind. And now I wanna try something else. Oh, okay, we're standing here and I wanna learn him what my one leg a bit behind means. So, no. So when I press there, yes, goed zo. He has to do that hind leg, the other side. Come, stappen. Now we try the other way. And I do that with the fence. Oh. Because otherwise I have to pull the... Oh, he does it himself. Oh. When I say to do. Well, a bit. So. But he's doing very good. Goed zo, Teije Rein.